the work that he's doing all over the world. Yup TV is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful company. Apart from the presentation that he's given you, to take Indian content and provide it to our expatriate audience at the press of a button is a wonderful service, I believe. I'm from the entertainment industry, and it means a lot to us that he is an enabler to get our work to our expat audience. Not only in the West, but now world over, and now we hope to bring it to India as we have today. And not only that, but to win the Red Herring top 100 companies globally is a huge honor. This is an honor which has previously been won by companies like Google and Facebook. And his being one of the first ever Indian companies to be honored is something that which is of great pride, not only to him, but I feel for the entire nation. To have an app which allows you, at the press of a button, to watch all the video content that they already have on their platform is a huge convenience to anybody in today's day and age, where our time is of huge paucity and it's very valuable to us. So when I sat with him, obviously before this, and we were discussing about the finer details of Yup TV, to know that on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet, go into the app, if you've missed a show, press it, and there you go, it streams it. You don't need to download it either, it just streams right from the cloud. And I think that's wonderful in today's day and age when we don't have any time. And it'll be wonderful, especially for the members of the media who do so much traveling to all these places.
Yeah, and going global, the entire team of Yup TV, more than 95% of the employees work out of India. And we made it to the top 100 global companies. So in terms of channel partners, we have Colors, Star, Sony, Zee across India and outside India combined. All of the broadcast networks we have been with us for the last 6-7 years. And actually, interestingly, my first meetings started in this office. Amit Goenka, from Zee, arranged the meeting in 2007, and the journey started like that. Today we have almost every major network in our platform, both on the expat and on India side. In terms of movie partners, we have signed more than 5,000 movies. It's going to be around 8,000 movies on demand. And think about in India itself, Bengali living in Hyderabad, or Telugus living in Delhi, or Tamilians living in Mumbai. All of that, this platform can enable. You can watch movies on demand at your convenience, at your time, on any device. So between the channel partners and movies on demand, we are still the largest internet TV platform in India. So this is a very important thing, is after YouTube and Netflix, Yup TV app is integrated into all these devices as an application. So when you buy a Samsung Smart TV or Sony or LG TV, the app is already integrated. So you don't need cable satellite connection. You just need an internet connection. So Yup TV, with these devices, we reach 400 million households. So 400 million smart TVs installed has a Yup TV app integrated. That's a kind of reach of content providers or content partners could get to Yup TV platform. So we would curate it, we approve it, and then also high quality video streaming, because we will ensure that every video is properly checked before it goes, and a lot of multiple categories will be there for the viewers. For the creative directors, the reach, as you said, that 400 million households, smart households, they can reach. The discoverability, so most of the time if you go to one of the platforms, you want to search viral fever, I think one of them is here from viral fever, but you won't get episode 1, 2, 3. So you get episode 3 somewhere, or you basically get some user generated content. So there is no experience for the audience, and this platform gives a phenomenal experience to the creatives. And also from an analytics, for content providers, there will be total transparency in the internet, because who watched, how many minutes watched, what content watched, from which location watched, and which device is also watched is also captured in the analytics. So the content providers will get a complete understanding of how their content is viewed by the consumer.